welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another episode. It's going to be a beauty on beauty. I know my voice is still very bad. I am taking a lot of medications. Let's hope it gets better. I know there's a lot of vibrations in my voice, so it sounds fun. I remember that when we were kids, to get this vibrating sound, we used to go near the fan and then scream, and then you would get that vibration voice. So I feel that now, without doing any kind of those kind of stunt, automatically I have this vibrating voice. Let's hope it gets better. So coming back to the video, this video is about home remedy to have clear and tightened skin. As we grow old, our cells will stop. The regeneration of our cells will be very slow. I wouldn't say it would stop, so it will be really slow. So our skin will start sagging, and you'll start having crow lines around your eyes, around your mouth. And also, how do you tighten your skin so that you don't have those lines? So I have two secret ingredient that which is home remedy, and this is again taught to me by my grandmother. And she I don't know, I keep talking about my grandmother is because she was one lady that I learned a lot of medicinal stuff, home remedy stuff. So if a person has a headache, has a stomach ache, the first thing which comes up is that my grandmother said you can have this, it will get better. But it's so difficult for me to follow. But yes, sometimes I try and follow. And let's get to the video and not delay for any further, as what ingredient I'm going to show you. So let's get to it. So guys, the secret ingredient is this. So what I have here is green gram and urad dal. I wanted to say tuar dal, sorry, this is urad dal, and green gram, this is black gram, guys. This is called black gram. I know it isn't white, but usually the husk is really in black, so that's why it's called black gram. And then this is green, which is when you remove the husk, it becomes moong dal. So but I've used the whole green because this green gram dal is very good for your skin. Now what I've done is that I've taken 1 teaspoon of green gram dal and half a teaspoon of black gram, which is urad dal. Now I've soaked it. This has been soaked for about 5 hours. If you see, if I pinch it, it just comes out, right? It breaks. So this I'm going to grind. I'm going to grind to a very coarse paste, and let me grind this. So this is the ground paste, guys, that I have. So this, let's see what I'm going to do with this. So you saw the paste that I made. It's not very smooth. It has got coarse feel. Now to this I'm going to add, it is optional. If you want, you can add. For me, I thought, let me add a couple drops of lime juice. Yeah, that's enough. Alright, so I'm adding lime is because lime has got the anti-tanning agent. It will remove the tan from your skin, and it will also whiten your skin. And let me tell you the necessity for black gram, which is urad dal. Urad dal has a consistency to tighten. It gets hard very quickly, and it will help your skin to tighten up very quickly, guys. It's really helpful. Not many people know about it, but it's 1 gram that 1 lentil that will help you in so many different ways. So this will tighten your skin. And green gram will remove pigmentations. It will keep your skin soft. It will keep your skin healthy. so that is why I'm using green gram. So I've mixed all the three right now. For you it is optional. If you want the lemon, you can have the lemon. If you don't want the lemon, please remove it. If your skin is too sensitive to citrus, so do not use it. Mine is little sensitive, so I've not used much. I've just used 2 drops. If it is okay, test it before you use it, guys. I would suggest you test it just behind your ears, so that it doesn't give you much effect. Just test here, and then if it works out for you, then you can apply it to your face. Do not apply anything directly to your face without testing. Use the tester. Alright, so let's start applying. So guys, I've done applying. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait till this becomes dry, and then I will start removing it. Let me come back to you after this is dry. I would suggest do not talk, because as it starts getting dry, all these places it will start holding your skin. It will tighten up your skin. So let me come back after this is dry and I will show you how it looks. So guys, welcome back. I can't speak now, it's become dry. Let me remove this right now. So I have my favorite sponge. I know you must be wondering what is this. Is a stick. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put it in water and it will become a big sponge. So see guys, when I put that stick kind of thing in water, it became like a sponge. I hope you're able to see it. So this sponge, first I will wet all the places because it's become really dry. So guys, as you can see my skin looks nice. I hope you're able to see my skin, and it is giving a little bit of tightness feeling. It's a little itching. This is how it will be because your skin was it really stuck to your skin, and you'll have to let it breathe to then take it out. So always wet it before you remove it, because don't damage your skin, don't hurt your skin, right? So now I've removed it. I think it is pretty good enough now, since it was like a pack that I put, so I don't want my skin to dry. Of course my skin will all dry is because I use green gram dal. Green gram dal has a tendency of making your skin very soft. So I would suggest, instead of any soap that you use to your face, I would suggest you to use green gram dal, because it will also increase your complexion. When I say complexion, guys, it's not being fair. When I say complexion, it will give you a clear skin. That is what I meant. So it will give you a very good complexion, it will give you a very good glow, and it will keep your skin hydrated too. But even then, I would like to, because the water that we use here in my house really bad, so I can't leave that water there, so I've wrapped it dry now. Now I'll use a little bit of aloe vera. This is what I use all the time. I do have fresh aloe vera at home, but somehow I like the smell of this aloe vera, and I like to apply it to my face, over my neck, and keep it hydrated and do nothing. So if you would like, you can even apply moisturizer. I do not apply moisturizers because it doesn't suit my skin. Anything cream that I apply, my skin does not really handle it really well. So I start sweating profusely, you know. It will be the weather will be cold, but if I apply any cream, I'll start sweating. So I usually stick only with gel based, which is aloe vera is the best thing for me, or I use cucumber gel, either one of those. So this is my all-time favorite. So guys, how do you like this video? I hope this is helpful. Skin tightening, I would suggest you to use it once a week. Do not overuse it, because it's going to tighten your skin, and you know, it's going to give you the tingling effect, you know, on your skin. That means it is working. So try it once a week and let me know as what you think about it. Was it helpful? Leave a comment below and keep supporting my channel, right? So I'll meet you in another video, but before that, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and so that you will get notification of the future videos I upload, right? So I'll meet you with another interesting video next time. Until then, bye bye. Stay beautiful.